Hey everybody, Dave Fontaine here at Wayne Toyota with our 2018 Corolla LE. It's a vehicle that was purchased here at our dealership, one owner, accident free, and with just 63,500 kilometers on it, has plenty of powertrain warranty left. Let's take a closer look at some of the features. As you can see, it does come with a block heater, 16-inch steel rims with hubcaps. Might be a little hard to see in the video, but the windows are all tinted. Heated adjustable mirrors. Open up so you can get a look on the inside. So the seats are cloth and they are adjustable, manually adjusted. You got the nice big screen with the new redesign. Heated seats in the front. Comes with all the standard safety features. Bluetooth, of course. Come back here, we'll show you. It's a 60/40 back row. One of the seats down. Comes with two sets of mats, winters and summers. The rear of the vehicle. Spacious trunk. Our other set of mats right there. You open this up, you see the spare, and of course, comes with backup camera. That's our 2018 Corolla LE. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call us down here at the dealership. Thanks a lot and stay safe.